Моя задача найти свою вертикаль. А ваша задача, мою вертикаль, это поддерживать движение либо сна. Да, поддерживать. Раз. Значит, сначала я немножко.
So Dmitry is feeling his vertical life, and he's just start falling like a pendulum all the way. And he's standing on one point, and he just start like feeling his center of balance and going to the side. And their purpose is to keep it in the center. And he need to be focused on freedom of his body, free movement, and not like interference of the pattern. So yes, and he's just feeling, you know, the interaction, what they need to do to keep him in balance at that moment. And he can kind of balance it by the breathing. And they have to sense the moment, what the other side of the circle is giving to Dmitry's body, and react on it. And more wider the circle is, heavier he is, and actually they have to be much more careful because there are actually now gaps in between them. So they are kind of responsible for bigger space. And then they will start slowing down, get closer again, and try to balance him at the end. And then change. So you can start work with the open eyes, and during exercise, when you become like more aware of your movements and everything, you can close it. But it's up to you. If you feel like okay, just close your eyes. If you feel like unsafe or something, open the eyes just to have control.